Listen, look, you just seen a video of a nigga planking. Why the fuck is niggas doing it? What the fuck is planking anyway? Like, this shit is dumb as shit. Like, if you think about it, like, niggas just lay on top of shit. Like, what the fuck are you doing? What if you fall?
What happened if you
Like,
fall?
you're gonna die, dickhead. Like, what are you doing? Like, you're dumb as shit. Like, planking. Who invented the shit anyway? Whoever invented this shit need to shoot that nigga. Like,
You did.
bro, what?
You did.
I invented planking. Fuck this nigga. Who the fuck is it? You just seen this dickhead out here on the big ass fucking mover truck planking and shit.
That was you.
Nigga, I got a blue shirt on. You got a black shirt. What the fuck is he talking about? Yo, this nigga shout out, dog. Anyway, planking is dumb. Planking is dumb.
Yeah, it was me. I don't fucking care.
Planking is dumb. Just remember.
I did it because I was trying to show y'all niggas not to fucking do that shit. And I'm an old head, you know what I'm saying?
Any celebrity that want to fucking plank, don't do it. You will kill yourself. You will die. Yes.
All ages you can plank.
All ages can plank.
Ages 2 on up.
If you 2 and up trying to plank, I don't want your baby planking. Like that's not cool. It's not a good look.
But plank though.
How the fuck you gonna say plank but don't plank?
Where can they follow you at?
They can follow me at Julie25 on Twitter.
How you spell it?
GUILLY 25. Holla at me.
At Twitter, right?
On Twitter.
Okay.
Follow this nigga at 215 nigga tweeting.
215 nigga tweeting with 1 G. I can't spell.
Nigga tweeting.
Get that.